Section 1. A nation forged a new America before the Industrial Revolution. Imagine America in the early 1800s. Vast farmlands stretched across the nation. Families worked the land, their lives dictated by the rhythm of the seasons. Life was hard, labor-intensive. Most goods were crafted by hand, made with skill and care in small workshops. Transportation was slow, reliant on horses and rivers. Communication across long distances took weeks, even months. The seeds of change were sown, inventors tinkered, seeking new solutions. The spirit of innovation, a defining American trait, was about to reshape the nation. Section 2. The rise of machines, factories, railroads, and a changing landscape. The Industrial Revolution began in Great Britain, but it found fertile ground in America. New inventions, machines powered by water and then steam crossed the Atlantic. Factories sprang up, often near rivers that could provide power. Cities grew around these factories, drawing people from rural areas seeking work. The landscape of America transformed, the air filled with the sounds and smoke of industry. The pace of life quickened. Mass production made goods cheaper and more abundant. The world was on the cusp of a new era, driven by the power of machines. Section 3. Ingenuity and innovation. The steam engine, assembly line, and a revolution in production. The steam engine, a marvel of its time, became a symbol of the Industrial Revolution. It powered factories, locomotives, and ships, replacing human and animal labor. The assembly line, pioneered by Henry Ford in the early 20th century, revolutionized production. Workers on an assembly line each performed a specific task, leading to increased efficiency and output. This innovation made mass production possible, forever changing how goods were manufactured. The combination of these inventions transformed the American economy. The nation shifted from an agrarian society to an industrial powerhouse, its factories churning out goods for a growing nation and beyond. Section 4. Iron horses and national unity, the Transcontinental Railroad. Perhaps no invention symbolized progress and unity more than the Transcontinental Railroad. Completed in 1869, this iron ribbon stretched across the continent, connecting the East Coast to the West Coast. The railroad facilitated trade, allowing goods to move quickly and efficiently across vast distances. It spurred economic growth, opening up new markets and opportunities. The Transcontinental Railroad also helped to unify the nation, physically connecting people from different regions and fostering a sense of shared destiny. It was a testament to American ingenuity and ambition, a symbol of the nation's growing power and influence. Section 5. Titans of industry and the toil of labor, Carnegie, Rockefeller, and the labor movement. The Industrial Revolution created vast fortunes and powerful industrialists. Andrew Carnegie, a Scottish immigrant, built a steel empire. John D. Rockefeller amassed wealth through his control of Standard Oil. These captains of industry were both admired and criticized. They created jobs and donated millions to philanthropy, but their immense wealth often came at the expense of their workers. Factory work during this era was often grueling and dangerous. Long hours, low wages, and unsafe working conditions were commonplace. Child labor was also prevalent, with children as young as 6 working in factories and mines. These injustices led to the rise of the labor movement, as workers organized to demand better conditions and fair treatment. Unions fought for safer workplaces, shorter hours, and higher wages, engaging in strikes and protests that often met with resistance from powerful industrialists. The Industrial Revolution was a time of great progress and transformation, but it also exposed deep social and economic inequalities. The struggle for workers' rights and fair labor practices would continue well into the 20th century, shaping the future of American society.